I'm Madhvi Banerjee Batula. You're watching Shame Gana, the next 90 minutes of joy. Week after week, we are here at sharp 8 p.m. to give you some dose of entertainment, talk, and of course, we make many friends here through this program called Shame Gana, which is Indus TV's presentation. Friends, what is language? Well, let's not have a history class on that. But then, traditionally, and if you go back to history or through geography, language was basically all about symbols. It was very symbolic. The relationship between what you're talking, what you're trying to convey, sometimes always comes through symbols and through gestures. If you had to explain to somebody how is a triangle, you would definitely put your hands forward and show it as a symbol. Hey, you have to go up, you have to go there. Symbols and directions and gestures make a big stand there. But yet, communication is the key. And when communication has a little melody in it, it becomes music. मीठा बोलती हो, मीठा गाते हो, ये सुनने में किसको अच्छा नहीं लगता? सबको लगता है। लेकिन दिल की मिठास और सोचने में जो मिठास है, उसमें बहुत फर्क है, क्योंकि कभी-कभी हमें मीठा खाना भी चाहिए। एक बहुत ही अच्छी बात मैंने अभी बात करते-करते याद आई, किसी ने कहा था कि आजकल लोग बहुत ही ज़्यादा you hear more cases of people being diabetic. And somebody asked this particular guy who's very supposed to have a lot of knowledge. And on a very humorous side, he said, you know what? आजकल लोग मीठा सिर्फ अंदर रखते हैं, इसलिए लोग डायबिटिक हो गए हैं। मीठा बोलो, बाहर निकालो सारी मिठास, दुनिया में बांटो, आप डायबिटिक नहीं रहोगे। सोचने वाली बात है, फिलोसफिकल है, बट जो भी है मजेदार है। India's sweetest language and the second most popular language in the world, Bangla. जी हाँ, Bengalis are known to be very passionate. They are learners, they are intellectual minds, India or abroad, anywhere in the world, whether it's source of politics, science, philosophy, astronomy, astrology. Of course, Bengalis come first. And you talk about the music world, especially when you talk about a program like Sham E Gana, where we usually have a Hindi version of it. But today, being the last Friday of the month, we have Bangla special, Bengali special for our viewers. This evening, we are joined by three singers who are gracious enough to join us and give us a flavor of the Bengali literature, music, melodies, history, talk. They are free to share whatever they can, but keep it as brief as possible. Today, we are joined by Deepa, Prahar, and Parna, and of course, also with Dr. Tushar Patel. And once again, I'm Madhvi Banerjee and Batula. Many of you must be wondering, what's his connection with that? Well, I'll get to that in a moment. So there is some connection to Madhvi and Bengalis. Let's see what it is. So once again, friends, welcome. And for our viewers, we always love you. Join us from wherever you can and keep those applaud and love poured in for us. Welcome, Deepa, to the show. Please introduce yourself to our viewers. Deepa, आपका mic muted है.
Hi, good evening, everybody. Thank you for the
Good evening.
reminder. Like this always happens in Zoom meetings with work also, right? So used to it now. Very good evening to everybody, and thank you for this opportunity. I'm really looking forward to singing and sharing this platform with all of you. About myself, well, I am from, of course, I'm from my mother is from Bengal and my father is from Punjab. So I've had a very good Bengali influence growing up because mom always rules the roost, right? So Bengali culture has been kind of ingrained in me because right from childhood, I've been participating in a lot of music and dance programs. We used to have a local Durga Puja, Saraswati Puja, Kali Puja, and we would always participate. My mother was an excellent singer. She was a classically trained singer. She was also a dancer, I think, because I think I got it from her. I'm actually also a dancer and a choreographer, and this is my first time singing Bengali songs. I've been singing Hindi songs, but this is my first attempt, so please, everybody, wish me luck.
The message is loud and clear, friends. This is the Bengali special today with Deepa, Prahar, and Parna, and with Dr. Tushar Patel and myself, Madhvi here. So keep this comments, love, and please give a feedback to our singers so that they know that their karaoke system or whatever they are using there is all on fine tune. So let's go ahead, Deepa. Please introduce your song to our viewers and we'll get it going. From the land of the Ganga and the Brahmaputra, the sweetest language, Bengali, for you on the regional special on Sham E Gana.
All right, folks, the first song that I'm going to sing is called Tumi Je Amar. This is an old Bengali song from a movie that starred Suchitra Sen and Uttam Kumar, the very iconic Bengali movie stars. This song has been sung by Geeta Dutt, one of my most favorite singers. And here it goes.
Kani
beautiful start to the Bengali special here on Shame Gana. That was Deepa for you, and Old is Gold, Geeta Dutt's original 1957. I think the music was by Hemant Mukherjee Sahab and singer Geeta Dutt. And here we had Deepa for you. And all our Bengali friends and anybody out there who understands Bengali and they have some connection somewhere, just like I do, well, I guess we should all be here. And of course, the language that bonds us all together is music, week after week. Should we go to the next singer or should we wait? Yes, we should. Prakhar, welcome to Sham A Gana. कैसे हैं आप? अपना introduction दीजिए, Prakhar. Mic. You're muted. Hanji.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, we can. Please go ahead.
नमस्ते तुषार जी, नमस्ते माधवी.
Hi.
दीपा ने बहुत अच्छा पेश किया. मजा आ गया. As you know, I'm a Bengali, but मैं Calcutta का Bengali नहीं हूँ, तो for all my Bengali viewers, भूल चूक माफ कर देना please. वो बंगाली में बोलते हैं I'm a प्रवासी बंगाली, so मेरी बंगाली के accent में बहुत ही खामियां हैं, लेकिन फिर भी मैं कोशिश करता हूँ कि I sing Bengali songs.
Okay, so that's all that matters, the effort.
Exactly, yes.
So please introduce, tell us something about yourself to our new viewers and also a little introduction about your song, and then you can go ahead.
I've been in this country for a long time now and have been singing and performing on stage. तालीम मुझे मेरे मम्मी से मिली थी in India. She was a connected to Filmistan Studios, and she used to sing in movies as a chorus singer, but she used to teach classical music. vocals. मैंने कभी उनके सामने बैठ के पढ़ाई नहीं की म्यूजिक की, लेकिन मंडराता रहता था आजू बाजू, so maybe I must have picked that up subconsciously. And यहाँ के again, like I said, I've been performing since a long time. I have performed with Tushar ji on Indus TV a couple of times also.
That's where it all started, and here it will go. Well, friends, तालीम मम्मी से मिली प्रखार को, और तालियां हमारे viewers से मिलेगी in the comment section. Let's go ahead, Prakhar, with your first song.
Sure. This is one of my favorite songs, और ये गाना किशोर कुमार साहब ने गाया है. So let's see. Can you hear the music?
Yes, we can. Yeah.
Cool. The volume is good, right?
Yes.
সেই রাতে রাত ছিল পূর্ণিমা, রং ছিল ফাল্গুনি হাওয়াতে। সেই রাতে রাত ছিল পূর্ণিমা, রং ছিল ফাল্গুনি হাওয়াতে। সব ভালো লাগছিল চন্দ্রিমা, খুব কাছে তোমাকে পাওয়াতে। মন খুশি উর্বশী সেই রাতে, সুর ছিল গান ছিল এই প্রাণে। ওই দুটি হাত ছিল এই হাতে, কি কথা বলছিলে মন জানে। সব ভালো লাগছিল তুমি ছিলে তাই, মন ছিল মনেরই ছায়াতে, সেই রাতে রাত ছিল পূর্ণিমা, রং ছিল ফাল্গুনি হাওয়াতে। জুজু 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 জুজু। রাত আসে রাত চলে যায় দূরে, সেই স্মৃতি ভুলতে কি আজ পারি, পুরানো দিন আছে মন জুড়ে, ভালোবাসা হয়েছে ভিখারি, ধূপকাঠি মন জ্বলে একা একা তাই, সেই তুমি নেই তুমি নেই সাথে, সেই রাতে রাত ছিল পূর্ণিমা, রং ছিল ফাল্গুনি হাওয়াতে, সব ভালো লাগছিল চন্দ্রিমা, খুব কাছে তোমাকে পাওয়াতে।
What a beautiful presentation. Original was sung by Kishore Kumar Saab and of course the king of melody there. A little bit of yodeling also by Prakhar, which was definitely a delight to be listening to. The song was, I think the lyricist was Shivdas Banerjee and Kishore Kumar Saab was the music director. Also the man who wore many hats, and what else would I speak about him, but then let our viewers and listeners today enjoy this presentation, the Bangla special, the Bengali special here on Shame Gana. And let's also get to introduce Parna here. Parna, welcome to Shame Gana, your introduction to our viewers and of course followed by your song. Are you muted?
Thank you, Madhvi.
Hi.
Hello, friends. Thank you, Tusharji, for this opportunity. Indus TV has been doing awesome job by providing a great platform to singers. Acha, talking about myself, I was born in Kolkata, born and raised in Kolkata. And here I live in Princeton. I have one daughter. She is 19 years old. And besides being raised in a musical family, I learned Hindustani classical music. I love to sing Hindustani classical, semi-classical, and filmy song also.
So what's the first song that you're presenting today?
I'm going to sing Ogo Borsha Tumi, which was sung by legendary singer Manade Sahabji, and it's very popular song. Let's try.
Okay, we're all ears for you.
Thank you. বর্ষা তুমি ঝুরো না গো অমন জোরে, বর্ষা তুমি ঝুরো না গো অমন জোরে, কাছে সে আসবে তবে কেমন করে ঝুরি ঝুরি ঝুরি, এলে না হয় ঝুরো তখন অঝোর ধারে, যাতে সে যেতে চেয়েও যেতে নাহি পারে, রিমঝিম ঝিম ঝিম বর্ষা তুমি ঝোড়ো না গো অমন জোরে। মেঘ তুমি চাঁদকে ঢেকো যদি ওঠে, চন্দ্রমল্লিকা যেন না ফুটে, আমারই চাঁদ আমার ঠাকুর কেউ যেন না দেখে তারে, রিমঝিম 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 বর্ষা তুমি ঝোড়ো না গো অমন না হয় ঝুরু কখনো ঝুরু ধারে যাতে সে যেতে চেয়েও যেতে নাহি পারে রিমঝিম ঝিম 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 যেন তার পায়ের নুপুর বাজে রিমঝিম এত রাতেও ভ্রমর কেন করো গুনগুন লক্ষ্মী ভ্রমর চুপ করো না আসছে সে আজ আমার তারে রিমঝিম 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 বর্ষাতে ঝুরো না গো অমন জোরে কাছে সে আসবে তবে কেমন করে রিমঝিম 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 এলে না হয় ঝুরু কখনো ঝুরু ধরে যাতে সে যেতে চেয়েও যেতে নাহি পারে রিমঝিম ঝিম 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 Thank you.
It's pouring and raining here. Bengali songs on the Bangla special here on Shame Gana. I'm Madhvi Banerjee Batula. You know, India has been the beacon to the world, especially Kolkata has always brought the tsunami of change, whether it was the Mangal Pandey's revolution or the current scenario, government scenario in India. It's not very hard to say that Bengalis have always given the master stroke of change to the world, whether it comes to music, literature, performances, and of course, movements. And all that comes together, and with pride here today, the Bangla special, the Bengali special for our viewers. Now, let's also welcome the Gujarati here, Dr. Tushar Patel. Good evening, ji. Kaise hain aap?
Kem cho Madhvi ji?
Maja mein.
Wonderful. Good evening to all, Deepa, Prakhar, and Para. Wonderful start of this first segment today. Madhvi ji, I just would like to remember our friends in Miami.
Mhm.
The devastating tragedy in Miami is heartbroken, and our thoughts and prayers are with the victims and their families and the entire Surfside community during this time.
Mhm.
I don't recall in my 35 years that a building has collapsed like this in the US.
Mhm.
And we are so grateful for the heroic work and efforts by the rescue teams, firefighters, police, and all first responders who continue to look for the survivors during this rescue mission and risking their lives. May God bless them, entire community, and all the families who are awaiting a miracle to happen to their loved ones. So heart goes out to the entire community.
Thank you. Thank you, Tusharji. Thank you for that message. And of course, we resonate that thought, each one of us who's watching this. And if there's anything that you can do, moment by moment, penny by penny, help by help, please go ahead. I think that is a message that need not be reiterated every time, but every time tragedy hits, we all ought together there as humanity. Now, coming back to Shame Gana, this 90 minutes where we try to exactly when whatever is happening around the world, we just want to recharge ourselves. And these are the 90 minutes that give us that joy. And we have created it. We have complete pride, just like the Bengalis have in their literature, the complete pride in this program that we own it completely and we take it forward to the next level. So what's the next level, friends? I know some of you must be wondering, what was that Madhvi Banerjee? Well, I'm Madhvi, but people often call me Madhvi. And Banerjee also because my dad was also called, always known as Banerjee. So if I give my dad's name to somebody, people would not recognize. But if I say that I'm Banerjee's daughter, it'll be like, oh, that's you. So that's how it is. I have no idea why that connection came into the family. Grandma never told me the inside story. But I also have a Bengalis in my family. My aunt is married to a Bengali and I have a lot of Bengali cousins. So that's where that stands. And of course, the joy of this language, what do I say? There's plenty. My first crush, yes, a Bengali. Well, friends, talking about joy and pride, we know that in the year 1901, when Nobel Prize was launched, introduced, we had the privilege of having 4 Bengalis, I think 3 Bengalis and 1 from a Bengali origin, to have been honored with this award. And of course, 1913, Sri Rabindranath Tagore, then after that, Amartya Sen, then Muhammad Yunus, and after that, Abhijit Banerjee. I think, yes, it was Abhijit Banerjee in 2019. So we talk about laureates, well, there it is. And it's not only about the language. The International Mother Tongue that we say Desis, but Mother Language Day, that is on 21st of February. Do you know what's the origin behind that? Bengalis. Yes, the origin of this particular day, which was recognized by UNESCO, is only because by the movement by Bengalis. I think this is the only language in the history where people have not fought for land or property or rights or something. There were a group of people who have sacrificed their life for the language, and that is Bengali. I'm still getting goosebumps when I talk about it. That's a pride. And if you have more information, you should definitely share it with our viewers in the comment section. Here is a moment to talk about your language, your culture, your system. And not that we don't know about it, but with time, we get a little mixture and fusion, right? Let's get to Deepa and see what she's got for us in this round. Deepa? You're muted again, I guess.
Yes.
Okay, Deepa, of course, you gave your introduction and you gave your connection to the language itself. So anything that you want to share with the viewers, please feel free to do so.
Yes, absolutely. So growing up, I've had like I said, I had a very strong Bengali culture influence because of my mother, and I was literally brought up by my grandparents, my maternal grandparents. We all are from Delhi. So my mother and my father, both of them are born and brought up in Delhi. They met in Delhi, they fell in love, they got married at a very young age. And right from childhood, I've had a very, very strong Bengali influence. And also, to my father's credit and my father's side of the family, I've had a very strong Punjabi influence as well. Growing up, I've been listening to my mother and my aunts and my uncles and everybody in my family sing, listen to music. So music was a very big thing for us, music and dance both. That's what I have grown up to and grown up with. So it's part of what I am. It's the embodiment of what I am right now. And I'd like to pass the same to our children and see how it goes. So that's why I try to dance, teach dance, sing. Any opportunity that I get to do, I do that. And this is all just to kind of forward our culture. And make it, especially in this country when our kids don't get to listen to Indian music that much. Today I was singing a song and my younger son goes, "Oh, I've heard that song. This was a Bengali song." And he said, "I've heard that song. Didn't we dance on this 2 years back?" So this is what I'm trying to accomplish. I'm trying to create memories for our children so that they pass on the culture.
Okay, let's go for the next song that you have picked up for us.
Sure. This is again it's a beautiful song sung by Lata Mangeshkar, and the music composer is Salil Chaudhary. This was first composed in Bengali and sung in Bengali by Lata, and then she sang in Hindi. So this song is called Na Jeevna.
Oh, Reva. Okay. And when you go to the next song, you have a couple of seconds between to just get your track in place. Okay, so you could mute after the first song.
Sure. Thanks. Do I sing both the songs one after the other?
You can finish your first song, then you have a couple of seconds. I will be talking something or just give you time to get your track in place, and then I'll just let you know when the second song starts.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Na jeevna জীবনে মরণে আমি যে তোমারে শুধু জীবনে মরণে ধরিয়া রাখিতে চাহি নয়নে নয়নে না যেও না রজনী এখনো বাকি আরো কিছু দিতে বাকি বলে রাত জাগা পাখি না যেও না যে কথা বলিতে বাঁধে যে ব্যথা মরমে কাঁদে সে কথা বলিতে উগদা যে কথা বলিতে বাঁধে যে ব্যথা মরমে কাঁদে সে কথা ভুলিতে ওগোলা জীবন রজনী জানি এমনই পোহাবে জীবন রজনী জানি এমনই পোহাবে চাঁদের তরণী তুমি শুধুরে মিলাবে না যেও না রজনী এখনো বাকি আরো কিছু দিতে বাকি বলি রাত জাগা পাখি না যেও না রজনী এখনো বাকি আরো কিছু দিতে বাকি বলি রাত জাগা পাখি না যেও না
Thank you.
That was wonderful, Deepa. Madhviji actually got kicked out and she just joined back, so let's wait. All right, she's back.
I loved every bit of that song, and of course, they said ki Lata ji had a little health issue when the song was being recorded, and I guess I wanted to give more details about it. But as we move forward, let's give some time to Deepa to get started with the next song, and let us all enjoy. जैसे कहते हैं ना, flow of thought क्या हो गया कि भाई आज मुझे kick क्यों कर दिया Zoom ने बाहर. You know, Lata ji is the Gan Saraswati जैसे कहते हैं, no? Her Bengali songs of yesteryear, specifically the ones with Salil Chaudhary Saab, were a major hit. And I believe during this song or sometime around the same time, she was suffering or she had some health issues. And after that, of course, the accent is so very important. And she was a little concerned how it will go. But we all know what a beautiful song it was. And of course, it came in Hindi also as O Barka Bahar Aayi, O Sajna Barka Bahar Aayi. Deepa, if you're ready with the next one, we'll go towards that. And I'll gather myself as to what's happening with my Zoom connection today. And in the meantime, please shower all your love for us, friends, because this is your special, your moment of the evening, Friday evening special, regional special today here on Sham E Gana Indus TV's presentation. Deepa, if you're ready, we are ready.
Yes, I am ready. So this next song is a song sung by Kishore Kumar. And I remember listening this song. We used to have a record in our house and we used to listen to the song. And it has really good memories for me.
নেশা জলে কত কি রয়েছে লেখা কাজলে কাজলে নয়ন সরসী কেন জনম সফল হবে বধূ আরো ঘরে আজ শরমের আড়ালেতে দেখা যাবে ফুল সাজ নিশিরাতে বিরহের নিশিরাত বিরহের বাঁশির কে বাজায় ভালোবেসে কেন বধূ আজ শুধু কেঁদে যায় সিধে সিধে কেন তুমি মরণ নিলে কত কি রয়েছে লেখা কাজলে কাজলে নয়ন সরসী কেন ভরেছে জলে কত কি রয়েছে লেখা কাজলে কাজলে নয়ন সরসী
What a beautiful song. There is something about this particular melody that haunts you like crazy and you want to listen to it on repeat mode. The lyrics by Mukul Dutt and of course the maestro himself, Kishore Kumar के direction में, composition में. बट कुछ तो है इस गीत में जो अगर आपने कभी बंगाली गीत सुने, मैं बंगालीज की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, जो नॉन बंगालीज हैं, अगर आपने ये गाना अगर पहली बार कभी सुना हो तो फिर आपका मन करता है कि आप अगेन एंड अगेन सुने. और दीपा ने इतनी खूबसूरती से इसे पेश किया और कभी मौका मिले तो जरूर आप किशोर कुमार साहब की आवाज में भी इस गाने को सुनिएगा और फिर उसके बाद किसी दिन हम म्यूजिकल डिस्कशन एक और करेंगे. Let's also go to Prakhar and see what he's got for us. And of course, Prakhar, give us some more introduction to this language or the food or the cuisine, anything that you want to share with our viewers.
आपने तो इतनी तारीफ कर चुकी हैं already. And yes, it well due that respect.
That's true. That's true.
Not because I'm a Bengali, but वो भाषा ही ऐसी है.
बिल्कुल.
और
देखिए, there's a very thin line of difference between proud and pride. तो अभी pride के बारे में बात करते हैं. Proud तो हम सब हैं.
Pride इसलिए कि I've been blessed to be born a Bengali, and which has introduced me to a lot of different cultural activities. We all know that Bengalis are pretty well entrenched in culture. They're very close and बहुत ही बढ़िया level के artists निकलते आए हैं, and they have given joy to the whole world for years and years.
That's true. ठीक है, चलिए चलते हैं आपके गाने की तरफ.
Yeah, sure. मैं एक बंगाली फोक सॉन्ग पेश करना चाहता हूँ. शायद बांग्ला में उसे बाउल गीत बोलते हैं, और किशोर जी ने अगेन ये गाना गाया है. सो लेट्स लिसन टू दैट.
চারিদিকেই পাপের আধার, নেই তো কোথাও আলো, মনে হয় যে অন্ধ হওয়ায় ছিল অনেক ভালো। মানুষ জন্ম দিয়ে বিধি পাঠিও না পৃথিবীতে, যত দুঃখ পেলাম আমি মাপার মতো নেই তো ফিতে মানুষ জন্ম দিয়ে বিধি পাঠিও না পৃথিবীতে যত দুঃখ পেলাম আমি মাপার মতো নেই তো ফিতে একদিনেরই জীবন হলেও ফুল হয়ে যে জন্ম নেব একদিনেরই জীবন হলেও ফুল হয়ে যে জন্ম নেব ভোমরা খাবে মধু আমার ভোমরা খাবে মধু আমার বাতাসকে যে গন্ধ দেব ঠাকুর ঘরে লাগবো কাজে দয়াল তোমার পুজো দিতে যত দুঃখ পেলাম আমি মাপার মতো নেই তো ফিতে হে এক ফাগুনের আয়ু হলেও পাঠিও আমায় পাখি করে এক ফাগুনের আয়ু হলেও পাঠিও আমায় পাখি করে গান শুনিয়ে সারাটি দিন গান শুনিয়ে সারাটি দিন দেব সবার প্রাণ যে ভরে রাতটা শুধু কাটবে আমার সুখের নিড়ে ঘুমিয়ে নিতে যত দুঃখ পেলাম আমি মাপার মতো নেই তো ফিতে মানুষ জন্ম দিয়ে বিধি পাঠিও না পৃথিবীতে যত দুঃখ পেলাম আমি মাপার মতো নেই তো ফিতে
Okay, that was the beauty of a Bengali song. That was Prakhar for you on the screen, my friends. You're watching Sham E Gana. जी हाँ, आपको पता है कि कहते हैं कि Bengali जो language है, for us non-Bengali speakers, they say that the language by itself does not have any gender bias. There is no gender-oriented words for it. True or false? I would love to know a little more about it. And I think that's the very reason when a Bengali speaks, especially like in Hindi, you have karta hai, karti hai na, for male, female, table का भी gender हो जाता है. Like in Bengali language, the words are the same. And that's the reason many a time you see when a Bengali is speaking some other language, they have this little confusion about the gender aspect of it. Right or wrong or more information, you are the best to let us know. What do you say, Prakhar? Is it true or false?
Very true. Again, you might be asking the wrong person. मेरा Bangla grammar इतना कुछ खास नहीं है. So I do make a lot of mistakes. So
Oh, okay.
छोटा सा वाक्य सुनाऊंगे. I came to this country on a H1 from a Calcutta-based company, and I was put up in a guest house where hardcore Bengalis from Calcutta used to stay. और एक महीने तक मुझे पता नहीं चला कि मैं जब भी बांग्ला बात करता था सब चुपचाप सुनते थे मुझे. So मुझे वो बांग्ला में जो बोलते हैं ना मुर्गी बनाते थे.
But I believe fish and goat is a favorite curry for Bengalis, right?
Absolutely, yes.
चल ठीक है, मुर्गी भी कभी-कभी टेस्ट कर लेना चाहिए.
Sure.
You ready with the next one?
Yeah, the next song is one of the most romantic numbers in Bangla cinema that I've heard. It's a very haunting melody sung by Hemant Kumar ji.
Okay.
इसका एक हिंदी वर्जन भी है, तो आप सुनिए, पता चल जाएगा.
Okay.
রাত তোমার আমার, ওই চাঁদ তোমার আমার, শুধু দুজনে, এই রাত শুধু যে গানে, এই কোণে দুটি প্রাণী কুহু কুজনে, এই রাত তোমার আমার। তুমি আছো আমি আছি তাই, অনুভবে তোমারে যে পাই। তুমি আছো আমি আছি তাই, অনুভবে তোমারে যে পাই, শুধু দুজনে, এই রাত তোমার আমার, ওই চাঁদ তোমার আমার, শুধু দুজনে।
Thank you.
I'm surprised at how did that song finish so soon? You got to
Uh,
sing a little more. That was
generally
wonderful,
singers-
beautiful. Sorry.
जनरली सिंगर्स आर ग्रीडी, उनको लंबे गाने गाने होते हैं,
Hmm.
बट ये गाना ही कुछ ऐसा है कि द वे दिस सॉन्ग हैज बीन रेंडर्ड बाय हेमंत दा, आई मीन अगर उन्होंने 2 लाइनें ही गा दी तो वो मेरे लिए काफी है, यू नो, इट हैज गॉट सो मच पावर ओवर मी.
Beautiful. It was very mesmerizing. I think it was the cello behind. I wonder what the instrument was that was just kept you glued to it. Thank you so much, Prakar, for that. Now let's get to Parna. And Parna, of course, whatever you want to share about the language, which you think we need to know, and or anything about the culture. And of course, we all know about the Durga Puja and of course the festivities surrounded with that. Anything that you miss, you recollect, and you try to imbibe here while you are away from your homeland.
एक्चुअली जो बंगाली लोगों के लिए जो बात होती है वो माछ भात, तो ये तो माछ भात हम लोग खा के बड़े हुए हैं, और घर घर में म्यूजिक। तो हम लोग जो बचपन में ऐसे होता था कि हर घर में शाम को टाइम हारमोनियम लेके बैठते थे, और आपको एक गली से जाओगे तो अब सुनाई देगा, कई जगह सारेगामा चल रहा है, कई जगह रविंद्र संगीत चल रहा है, कई जगह नजरुल गीति चल रहा है, क्लासिकल चल रहा है, घर घर में। तो हमारे सरस्वती पूजा भी होता था कि हर गली में एक सरस्वती पूजा एंड कल्चरल प्रोग्राम होते थे। आगे कोई सिंगर बने ना बने, लेकिन हमको पढ़ाई के साथ ये भी सिखाते थे।
That is so sweet. And is it the way you explain or the way you set up the atmosphere? I mean, of course, today everything has changed, so much of commercialization and everything. People are look more into audio and recordings like this, but then that feel in the air. And no wonder most of my Bengali friends, when they talk about music, they have this little gleam in their eyes, and they have this little sense of nostalgia and that power that is coming out of their eyes when they talk about music and literature. And I guess this is where the story starts from. Thank you, Deepa. Prarna, let's go with your song now.
Yeah, अभी मैं जो गाना गाने जा रही हूँ, बंगाली सिंगर अरुंधति होम चौधरी ने ये गाना गाया, and music director है सुदीन दासगुप्त and lyricist पुलक बंदोपाध्याय. I'm pronouncing like exactly Bengali pronounce like this, Bandyopadhyay, Pulak Bandyopadhyay.
I have to ask people as to why they become Banerjee and why they become Mukherjee, why their names shorten later on. Go ahead.
Okay. রাতে আজ তোমায় বোঝা দায় এত বড় আকাশটাকে ভরলে জোছনা ওগো চাঁদ কি রাতে আজ তোমায় বোঝা দায় শুধু কি চন্দ্রমুখী দিয়ে যায় সবাই উকি শুধু কি চন্দ্রমুখী দিয়ে যায় সবাই উকি যদি আর সোহানায় একই চোখে চাই এত বড় আকাশটাকে ভরলে জোছনা তবু চাঁদ কি রাতে আজ তোমায় বোঝা দায় কে তোমার আলোর কণায় সপাদি মাখবে গায়ে নদীর ওই ঢেউগুলো তাই পড়েছে তীরের পায়ে কে তোমার আলোর কণায় সপাগে মাখবে গায়ে নদীর ওই ঢেউগুলো তাই পড়েছে তীরের পায়ে আমারও বুকের মাঝে কি যে হয় বুঝি না যে আমারও বুকের মাঝে কি যে হয় বুঝি না যে কি যেন হঠাৎ সুখে সবই ভেসে যায় এত বড় আকাশটাকে ভরলে জোছনা ওগো চাঁদ কি রাতে আজ তোমায় বোঝা দায় এত বড় আকাশটাকে ভরলে জোছনা ওগো চাঁদ কি রাতে আজ তোমায় বোঝা দায়
You took us by the bylanes of one of the streets back home in Bengal. Bharat Bhagya Vidata. You know, our national anthem, India's national anthem, was first written in Bengali, and only few words from there were just kept as it is. Bharat Bhagya Vidhata, that we say today, is Bharata Bhagya Vidhata. And of course, I'm not a Bengali in a pronunciation way, but I'm sure you know what it means. Even I think the Bangladesh national anthem also is a Bengali thing. And before I go to before Parna goes to the next song, I just want to ask her that, do you have a pet name, Parna?
Yes, I have.
And you know very well why I asked you that question.
Yeah.
And if you want to
Bengali,
share
Bengali is always two names. Yeah.
what is it with Bengalis that they may not run out of the main names, but I think pet names, they have to run out of it. Everybody, mostly they say they have a pet name. What is the fascination behind that? I'm not sure, but if you want to add something and you want to share your pet name with us. Golu?
Golu. Tumpa.
Tumpa, there you are.
It is very common name. Very common name.
Mento, Bolai, Tukai, Laji, and everything comes together. Gora, गुल्लू.
एक्चुअली शायद मुझे लगता है कि घर पे कोई प्यार से बोल लेता है ना, जैसे तो वो रह जाता है घर के लिए, और स्कूल में अच्छे नाम देते हैं. और एक्चुअली बंगाली लोगों का ये होता है कि नाम हमेशा मीनिंगफुल होता है, बहुत एक्सप्लोर करते हैं, एंड सब नाम के पीछे एक मीनिंग है ही है ऑलमोस्ट.
हाँ, आप बताइए कि आपके पढ़ना के आगे ए क्यों नहीं है?
एक्चुअली तो थोड़ा सा टाइम लेना पड़ेगा फिर.
कोई बात नहीं, बताइए.
एक्चुअली मेरी बर्थडे है दुर्गा षष्ठी के दिन, सो मेरी नाना जी ने मेरा नाम रखे थे कि पढ़ना. तो पढ़ना एक्चुअली अनदर नेम ऑफ माँ दुर्गा. जब माँ दुर्गा ने लिप्स खा के शिव जी के लिए प्रेयर करते थे, मतलब
Uh-huh.
तपस्या करते थे, तब उनका नाम हुआ था पर्णा, क्योंकि
Mhm.
पर्ण ले खा के फिर पर्णा बने थे।
Mhm.
एंड जब उन्होंने वो भी छोड़ दिया तो उनका नाम हो गया अपर्णा। तो
Ah.
हाँ, मेरे नाना जी चाहते थे मैं थोड़ा खाऊं पीऊं, तो इसलिए शायद मेरा नाम पर्णा रख दिया।
See, that is the secret behind all these conversation. We need to get the information out so we know what we're talking, and the sense of humor, everything is perfect, and we are going in the right direction. Thank you, Purna, for that little information that you shared with us. And I'm delighted to welcome all our new viewers who have just joined us from across the globe to this Bengali special here on Shame Gana. This is a weekly episode where we come week after week with our singers who sing and present for us 90 minutes. And once a month, the last Friday of the month, we bring you a regional special. And today it's going to be Bangla. Let's go ahead with your next one, Parna.
Okay, now I'm going to sing Chande Chande Gane Gane, which was sung by none other than Asha Bhosle ji, and music director R.D. Burman, lyricist Swapan Chakraborty ji. ছন্দে ছন্দে গানে গানে কি বলে যায় ঘুঙ্গুরু 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 ছন্দে ছন্দে গানে গানে কি বলে যায় ঘুঙ্গুরু কি বলে যায় মুদিরা মেশানো রাতে এই বুঝি চলে যায় চলে যায় চলে যায় চলে যায় ছন্দে ছন্দে গানে গানে কি বলে যায় ঘুঙ্গুরু ছন্দ বন্দি ঘুঙ্গুরুতে হলো তাকে ঝঙ্কারেতে ছন্দ বন্দি ঘুঙ্গুরুতে হলো তাকে ঝঙ্কারেতে জোছনায় ঢলো ঢলো চাঁদ বুঝি ঢলে যায় জোছনায় ঢলো ঢলো চাঁদ বুঝি ঢলে যায় ঢলে যায় ঢলে যায় ঢলে যায় ছন্দে ছন্দে গানে গানে কি বলে যায় ঘুঙ্গুরু ঘুঙ্গুরু জ্বলিছে জল সাগরে বাতি বাতি জ্বলিছে জল সাগরে জ্বলিছে জল সাগরে বাতি এসো কাছে ওগো মোর সাথী প্রেমের আগুনে আজি সব যেন চলে যায় প্রেমের আগুনে আজি সব যেন চলে যায় জ্বলে যায় জ্বলে যায় জ্বলে যায় ছন্দে ছন্দে গানে গানে ছন্দে ছন্দে গানে গানে ছন্দে ছন্দে গানে গানে কি বলে যায়। থ্যাংক ইউ।
I see that our viewers all mesmerized and pouring in love, and if somebody's still thinking which icon or which emoji to put in, I guess you can use most of the one which appreciates and give them love. Thank you so much. And of course, आपने पहचाना होगा कि ये गाना जो हिंदी में था, रोज रोज डाली डाली क्या लिखा है. And Asha Bhosle and R.D. Burman. You know, yesterday was R.D. Burman Saab's birth anniversary, 82nd birth anniversary. And music lovers, not Gyani music people, you know, I'm talking about people who just listen to music for the joy of listening to music and because they just move with it or enjoy the melodies. They've always compared songs, but I again mentioned that thanks to technology and information today, you know the origin of certain songs and how they have grown and globally been accepted. And of course, the Marathi Mulgi there, Asha Bhosle ji, with this Bengali song, oh, what do we say? Prana, thank you so much for that presentation. Now let's see if Tushar ji is going to sing some Bengali songs today. एक surprise हो जाए.
माधवी जी, एक ही शब्द एक ही लफ्ज आता है मुझे बंगाली में, अमित माँ की बालोबासी.
ये बात तो सब समझते हैं, अमित आपको भी पता था ये.
But I think today is our 65th episode of Shame Gana. Our regional segments are getting better and better every month. Gujarati, Marathi, Telugu, Odia, now Bengali. And I think we will move to the next all the way extreme north, Punjab mein jayenge next month.
Okay.
So we'll have a Punjabi segment next time. But wonderful singing by Deepa, Prakhar and Prana. Wonderful, melodious evening. And keep singing and we'll talk later.
Sure. They say that Bengali is the 7th most spoken language in the world, about 220 million. I don't know when was the last count somebody actually counted and said how many people actually speak this. That we know that Telugu is the 2nd most sweetest language in India, but Bengali stands one. Everybody must be like, you know, Madhvi ko bana do ambassador of Bengali association. Why not? I definitely had a couple of opportunities to be associated with them and had so much of fun, joy, the food, the culture, the clothes and everything. Comes with it. And like we say that India is a beacon of cultural strength. And as ambassadors, I would say, and again, I think most of you people always say that, why do you always use this word as ambassadors? We all individually are ambassadors of our country, whichever region we come from. And you are first said, you know, oh, आप India से हैं. उसके बाद आप जाके बोलेंगे कि आप कहाँ से हैं. But as ambassadors of your country, we have complete responsibility to see that the culture, the language, the sentiments are appreciated and respected, and we ourselves don't make fun of it most. And talking about fun, we all have jokes, we all have, you know, people, we have all lots of humor which comes along. You know, I do tease a lot of my Bengali friends, and you know, कहते हैं कि जो, okay, let me not get into that. फिर मेरे को भी डांट पड़ेगी यहाँ पर. But that's what it is. You have fun with your friends, and if they are very cool people and sweet people. Okay, now in this round, I know this is the last round of the Bengali special today. I want you guys to talk about the cities that you remember the most, or the landmarks of your state, or anything that you were like seen, or you want people to definitely go and watch. Let's start with Deepa, and then of course she will follow it up with a song. Deepa?
Sure. So I would like to say, if anybody can get an opportunity to go to Calcutta and eat all the street food over there, it is out of this world. I was, of course, born and brought up in Delhi, and so were my parents. But we have a lot of relatives in Calcutta, and during summer vacation, and just recently, a few years back, for my first cousin's wedding, I went to Calcutta. Just enjoyed the different, very, very different flavors, and all the street food. Oh my God, my mouth is literally watering right now. So I would really suggest, and my husband and I, we just always keep saying that, you know, given an opportunity, we will definitely go and stay in Calcutta and eat all the food, or as much as we can. We will just stuff ourselves. So definitely, it's you know, must have. That kind of street food is not available in any part of the world, I would say, and we pine for it. We really, really look forward. Hopefully, someday we will go and, you know, get to stay for a long time in Calcutta and do that.
It all comes down to food, end of the day.
Absolutely, absolutely. There's nothing like food, right?
Like food. अच्छा चलिए हम तो खाना तो खा नहीं सकते लेकिन एक मीठा गाना जरूर हो जाए आपसे.
गाना गा सकते हैं.
हाँ जी.
Definitely. Okay, so this last song of mine is a song that is, again, a very iconic song. I would say that any child, especially like if you're a girl, your mom has pushed you on the stage to dance on this song. This song is by Hemant Mukherjee, Hemant Kumar, and the lyrics, the song, the music composer is Salil Chaudhary.
Okay.
So here goes.
ধিতাং ধিতাং বলে কি মাদলে তাল তোলে আর আনন্দ ছলে আকাশ ভরে যোজনা ধিতাং ধিতাং বলে কি মাদলে তাল তোলে কার আনন্দ ছলে আকাশ করে যোজনা আয় ছুটে সকলে এই মাটির ধরা তলে আজ হাসির কলরলে নূতন জীবন গড়িয়া আয় ছুটে সকলে এই মাটির ধরা তলে আজ হাসির কলরলে নূতন জীবন গড়িয়া আয় রে আয় লগন বয়ে যায় মেঘ ঘুর ঘুর করে চাঁদের সীমানায় পারুর বনটাকে চম্পা ছুটে আয় বর্গিরা সব হাকে কোমর বেঁধে আয় আয় রে আয় আয় রে আয় আয় রে আয় আয় রে আয় ধিনক না তিন তিনা এই বাজারে প্রাণ বিনা আজ সবার মিলন বিনা এমন জীবন বৃথা যায় ধিনক না তিন তিনা এই বাজারে প্রাণ বিনা আজ সবার মিলন বিনা এমন জীবন বৃথা যায় এই দেশ তোমার আমার এই আমার বুড়ি কামার আর আমার গুড়ি স্বপ্ন দিয়ে সোনার কামনা এই দেশ বুড়ি আমার এই আমার ভুড়ি কামার আর আমার স্বপ্ন দিয়ে সোনার কামনা আয় রে আয় বাদল বয়ে যায় মেঘ ঘুর ঘুর করে চাঁদের সীমানায় পারুল কোনটাকে চম্পা ছুটে আয় বর্গিরা সব হাকে কোমর বেঁধে আয় আয় রে আয় আয় রে আয় আয় রে আয় আয় রে আয়
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Deepa. We'll get to you after the final round and we'll have a little more chat with you. Well, friends, you're watching Shame Gana, the regional special. Once a month, we pick a regional language and then our singers are gracious enough to come forward and sing. What is that thing that's where they wear a mask and then they dance? Chow? I don't know the pronunciation. Am I getting it right? I'm not sure. But like I said, in this round, do talk about the cities that you associate yourself with or you want to go and visit or you recommend people to visit. So Prakhar, what do you say?
सबसे पहले मैं माफ़ी चाहता हूँ आपसे, माधवी जी, तुषार जी से एंड दीपा एंड पारना जी से, क्योंकि मैं ब्लैकआउट में रह रहा हूँ कैमरा पे, क्योंकि मेरा एक माइग्रेशन रिलीज चल रहा है साइड में. सो आई एम काइंड ऑफ मल्टीटास्किंग राइट नाउ.
That's okay.
और एक दीपा जी के लिए बहुत बड़ा कंप्लेन है मेरा. मैंने एक बहुत ही अच्छा सा प्यारा सा एक इमोशनल सॉन्ग चूज किया था और दीपा जी ने ये गाना पेश किया एंड मेरे यू नो फॉर मी अ सॉन्ग इज एन इमोशन. तो वो सॉन्ग प्रेजेंट करने के लिए यू हैव टू बी इन दैट पर्टिकुलर रेल्म ऑफ इमोशन की आप उस गाने को पूरा तवज्जो दे सके. यू कैन डू जस्टिस टू दिस सॉन्ग. और मेरा पूरा ये जो साइकी है वो पूरा हिल गया है. I was actually dancing to what दीपा जी presented. और उसके पहले पारना जी ने वो जो classical गाना पेश किया, I don't know. I mean, I feel privileged that I am performing with these two, superb artists.
How beautifully said. So sweet.
So, ज़्यादा वक्त नहीं लूँगा. ये फिर अगेन किशोर कुमार जी का गाना है. It is already been released नहीं, वो हिंदी में और बांग्ला में दोनों मूवीज में वो गाना आ चुका है.
ओके, ठीक, देखते हैं कौन से गाने की बात कर रहे हैं. हम जरूर गेस करेंगे. व्यूअर्स, आपके पास थोड़ा सा होमवर्क और एक टास्क दिया जा रहा है, तो हिंदी में इस गाने को जरूर गेस कीजिएगा. यू आर कंफर्टेबल?
কি হলো, কেন হলো, কবে হলো জানি না, শুরু হলো শেষ হলো, কি যে হলো জানি না তো. কি হলো, কেন হলো, কবে হলো জানি না, শুরু হলো শেষ হলো, কি যে হলো জানি না তো. কি হলো. কি হলো, কেন হলো, কবে হলো জানি না, শুরু হলো শেষ হলো, কি যে হলো জানি না তো. কি হলো. আমি শুধু ভাবি যে প্রেম দিতে জানে তার নেই কোনো দাবি. হায় মনে পড়ে কেন তারে, মনে পড়ে বারে বারে তারে. কি হলো, কেন হলো, কবে হলো জানি না, শুরু হলো শেষ হলো, কি যে হলো জানি না তো. কি হলো.
जो भी holo, बहुत अच्छा holo, because it's a great time here with all the songs that you have picked up. And the beauty of today's songs were, most of the songs, I think non-Bengali speakers are also able to relate because they understand the tune and they are like hunting to the Hindi version to it. And that's what it is, the beauty that we share, just like this program. Okay, let's get to Parna and say that if something resonates when I say Shanti Puri, Nilambari, Jamdani, Dhanya Khali, Baluchari, or Mulberry silk.
And Tat.
And Tat, that is the first one which comes. You know, in my entire working years in India, the two fabrics or two types of clothes that I mostly wore because of the heat there was always Bengali cotton. And the time that I grew up in, used to have this guy who would come on the cycle with those huge bags and, you know, go to home. And before these huge showrooms came and, you know, they spread all over India, they would come and everybody would have a booking with that guy that he has to show the sari first to them. And the other thing used to be always chicken curry. That was the two kinds of clothes that I used to often wear to work. So what is your favorite in those?
Tat, I like Tat. Dhakai Jamdan is another. It is from Bangladesh, but still.
Yeah. Okay, so we were talking about cities or places that you resonate more with and you would recommend people to go visit definitely whenever the lockdown is over.
Kolkata, definitely.
What other place than that? The tsunami of the change where it comes in.
And Durga Puja, I think everybody should once in a life, Durga Puja, they should visit Kolkata. Because pandal hopping, it's amazing.
Wow.
इतना अच्छे बनाते हैं पेंडल्स. कहाँ की जहाँ मतलब फेमस जो चीज है वो उठा के पेंडल बना देते हैं. So all should go to Kolkata. दुर्गा पूजा के टाइम जाना चाहिए.
Absolutely. You know, हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में क्या होता है, दुर्गा पूजा के बारे में जब भी दिखाते हो तो वो तो फिल्म के जो क्लाइमैक्स होता है वहीं पे दिखाते हैं. Otherwise, there's so much to talk about the pandal there and the puja. Okay, you want to say something or you want to go for the song?
मैं actually this is my first live show, so मैंने भूल ना जाओ गाना, इसलिए मैंने बोला नहीं, लेकिन सच बता रही हूँ, प्रखर जी एंड दीपा बहुत अच्छे गा रहे थे. और ये जो हम लोग बांग्ला में बोलते हैं अड्डा, अड्डा करते करते जो गाना गा रहे हैं, ये बहुत एंजॉय कर रही हूँ मैं. तो थैंक यू तुषार जी, माधवी, बहुत अच्छे प्लेटफॉर्म हुआ, अरेंजमेंट हुआ, बहुत अच्छा लगा. सो बहुत एंजॉय किया मैंने आप दोनों के साथ परफॉर्म करके, प्रखर जी एंड दीपा जी.
Sure. Let's go with your song and then we'll talk again. Okay.
And this song is from movie Morjina Abdullah.
Okay.
So this is also was sung by, this song was sung by also legendary Manna De Sahab ji. Actually, I'm a big fan of Manna De ji. So, and music director and lyricist also, Salil Chaudhary. बाजी गो बिनाए तुम न बाजी गो बिनाए तुम न बाजी गो बिनाए तुम न बाजी गो बिनाए. সুরে বাঁধা আছে তোমারি মায়ার তারে, অনুরাগ রাগে তারে সেধেছি গো বারে বারে. সুরে সুরে বাঁধা আছে তোমারি মায়ার তারে, অনুরাগ রাগে তারে সেধেছি গো বারে বারে. সে রাগিনী ভুলো না গো, ভুলে যেও না, আমি ধানি রাবারা বাড়ি মাগার সা. बाजी गो बिनाए तुम न बाजी गो बिनाए. কুলু 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 বয়ে যায় নিরবধি তোমারও আমার মাঝে এমনি প্রেমের নদী কুলু 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 বয়ে যায় নিরবধি দুই পাড়ে দুজনা গো খালি দুজনা গাবানিরা মাগানিরা 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 বাগানি সা বাজি গোবিনা বাজি গোবিনায় তুমনা তুমনা নানা তুমনা নানা বাজি গোবিনায়
Thank you. Thank you so much, Parna. I hope all of you can hear me. Just give me a thumbs up there. Okay. This was a beautiful episode of Shame Gana today, the Bengali special. And I do want to thank all our presenters, singers this evening, all our viewers. And let's have a quick round of talk with all of you. Let's start with Deepa. Deepa, आप अपने viewers के लिए कुछ कहना चाहेंगी? तो please go ahead.
Absolutely. I would actually like to thank Tusharji for this wonderful opportunity. I have not experienced something like this before ever. Singing Bengali songs on a platform like this has been, it's probably like, it's a dream come true for me. So thank you for realizing my dream. And it was wonderful to share the stage with Porna and Prokhor. I mean, they are both of them are amazing singers in their own right. You guys actually took me down, it was like a journey down the memory lane for me. Listening to all of these songs that you used to hear in your childhood, and now again, you're reintroduced to some of them. It was a wonderful experience for me, and I hope it was a wonderful experience as well for all of you and the audience as well. So thank you again for the opportunity.
Thank you. Let's go to Prakhar. Prakhar.
Bangla mein the pronunciation is Prokhor.
Prokhor, okay, like Madhubi.
Exactly. So, एक ही चीज मैं ऑडियंस लोगों से बोलना चाहता हूँ कि हम लोग जो आर्टिस्ट आते हैं यहाँ परफॉर्म करते हैं, the quality that they hear through Zoom is not up to the mark. Please bear with every artist that performs, not only on this platform, kahin bhi. Don't judge them just because उस Zoom session की जो limitations है, वो जो खामियां हैं, वो आप महसूस कर रहे हैं. लेकिन every artist that comes on, every artist that is selected on a Zoom session, उन्होंने अपना मकाम हासिल कर लिया है, and that is why they have been selected. So Zoom के limitations है, और think beyond that and give encouragement to every artist that comes on live show. I'm sure that Parna, Deepa, or I, or Tusharji, if we perform on a live stage with that amazing sound system, we will sound like very close to the original artist. But unfortunately, last 1.5-2 साल से जो हम लोग एक once in a 100 years का एक जो ट्रेजेडी से जूझ रहे हैं, उस ट्रेजेडी में भी अगर हम आर्टिस्ट अगर कुछ पल के लिए हमारे ऑडियंस में के दिलों में खुशियां बांट सकते हैं, तो I feel blessed. And I'll end with that.
Thank you. Thank you. Absolutely said. And like I said, amen to that. We are seeing that some events are happening and people have started to mingle, but I guess there should be some safety protocols. That कोई जल्दी नहीं है. Once in 100 years ये भी experience कर लिया, और हमने इसे भी बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से enjoy किया, ये जो time हमें मिला Zoom पे. Let's go to Parna.
हेलो, बहुत सच बता रही हूँ, बहुत अच्छा लगा. एंड इन दिस पेंडेमिक हम लोग इधर मिल रहे हैं Zoom के जरिए से, तो ये बहुत ही अच्छा बात है, बहुत ही अच्छी बात है. एंड मैं क्या बोलूँ, सबने सब कुछ बोल ही दिया। बहुत आई एंजॉयड अ लॉट एंड जितना हो सके कि जूम में जितना अच्छा गाने के लिए कोशिश किया। आई डोंट नो लिसनर्स कैन से बेटर देन मी। एंड लाइव में फर्स्ट टाइम और बहुत कंप्रोमाइज़ भी करना पड़ता है कि ये सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है, मेरी आवाज़ ज़्यादा सुनता है, ये सब बहुत कुछ एडजस्टमेंट मन के अंदर, मतलब अंधेरे में ऐसे ऐसे करके वी आर सिंगिंग। तो सो इट्स ओके एंड एनीवे बहुत अच्छा लगा। इट वाज अ वंडरफुल इवनिंग, वंडर। थैंक यू तुषार जी, थैंक यू माधवी जी, प्रखर जी, दीपा जी।
Delight is all us. Tushar ji?
Thank you, Deepa, Prakhar, and Parna. Wonderful singing. Thank you for being part of this wonderful Shame Gana regional episode today. माधवी जी, गुजरात, महाराष्ट्र, तेलंगाना, उड़ीसा के बाद आज आप हमको बंगाल, आपको बंगाल का भी एम्बेसडरशिप दे रहे हैं, तो keep doing the wonderful job. Next week we will have our junior singers back. We'll have 4 junior singers after a long time, so let's everyone invite for next Friday at 8 o'clock, Shame Gana, episode number 66. Thank you so much, everyone.
थैंक यू। जैसे प्रखर ने कहा कि भाई जो छोटी छोटी खामियां होती हैं उसको नजरअंदाज करके आगे जाना, और जिस तरह से पर्णा ने कहा कि यू नो the love and affection is all that matters here. It is about the kindness. How much you give, the more it comes back, and that's what these programs are all about. They put a lot of effort between work, between family schedules, between constant pressure from other sources also which happen in life. Yet when somebody comes on stage, whether this medium or anywhere in the world, like I just said, starting tomorrow, this weekend, I see a lot of events happening. Just be very kind to the artist. Artists बहुत sensitive होते हैं, कुछ भी आप कह दोगे ना फिर वो कभी स्टेज पे नहीं आते, तो मत कीजिएगा ऐसे। छोटी सी जिंदगी है, हमने सबने मिलकर एंजॉय करना है। और अगर आप इवेंट्स में जा रहे हैं तो कोशिश कीजिए कि आप मास्क पहन ले। भाई गवर्नर ने नहीं कहा, माधवी ने जरूर कहा है। We'll catch you next week again, same time here on Shame Gana. This is Swati Butler signing off. Good night.
सॉरी, मैं एक चीज बोलना चाहता हूँ कि तुषार जी ने कहा कि उन्होंने 65 एपिसोड्स प्रोड्यूस किए हैं. दिस इज नॉट अ जोक. यू नो, फॉर ईच एपिसोड यू डोंट नो, आई मीन आई एम टॉकिंग टू द ऑडियंस, कि कितना टाइम अपनी जिंदगी में से निकाल के देना पड़ता है और कितना एफर्ट देना पड़ता है. You are juggling your family life, you are juggling your career, and you are working for society, and that to me is a very very big gift that Tushar ji is giving to the society. Madhvi ji also. This should be celebrated and appreciated. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Prakhar and everyone. Good night.